everyone! I have got the start of a very special advent calendar to share with you guys today that, yes, I could have started this on the 1st, but being as today would have been John Lennon's 81st birthday, today seemed more appropriate for it. So this is... Oh, it happened. Yeah, for as much as I've been throwing it out there to the universe finally delivered. There is finally a Beatle advent calendar. There's more than one. Waiting on the other one to show up still. Anyway, so this one is another one of those 15 Days of Socks calendars, which, you know, I did a couple of those last year of Target ones. I did one that was dog ones, and I did one that was just like cutesy woodland animals. And actually, it was while I was on Amazon, looking around for the Nintendo one that I missed out on last year that Amazon was like, we think you might also like, and I'm like, I think you're right. So I bought this for $40, which is steep for socks, but keeping in mind that there are 15 pairs in here, 40 divided by 15 is 3, so that's like $3 a pair. Now, there's that brand called Happy Socks that does like Beatles-themed socks too, that charge way the heck more than $3 a pair for theirs. I would happily pay the $40 here versus their prices, just saying. There's maybe arguably better quality. I don't know. I haven't opened this yet. So these are men's size 6 to 12, which, as a woman who wears a size 8, I'm pretty sure this should be just fine. So the back of the box, in case anybody's curious, looks like this. Looks like a vinyl record. 7 crew socks, 8 low-cut socks. So, okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and use my box cutter and very carefully bust the tape. Oh, and down the side says, all you need is love. Just very carefully, let's not accidentally cut Ringo or anything. Come on, get that tape. Whoop! Get the tape. Come on, bugger. You can do it. No, don't rip. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Whoop. Okay. Accidentally slipped a little. Come on. There. Oh, there's more tape. Up here. And more. Probably some on. Yep. Okay. You'd think I would know the drill after the 2 that I did last year, so. Yeah, oh, okay. So originally I was thinking, cool, I could, like, keep this, but, dude, that side's even better. Stick that on my wall. It could be, like, either side. So the doors are just these little hearts, which looks very in tune with the theming of that Beatles 1 release for, like, the greatest hits back in, what was it, 2000, 2001, whenever it was. So we've got our 15 doors, all different colors. No hints whatsoever as to what's behind them. I don't know what's in here, and if anybody knows spoilers, don't tell me. I want the surprises, thank you. So, let's just go ahead, punch that first door. At least because they're just hearts on these, I kind of don't mind if the doors rip, as opposed to like when I was feeling guilty over like the woodland animals ones. I was like, but the doors are so cute, I don't want to hurt them. So, okay. First pair of socks, what do we got? We've got some short ones, and they're Abbey Road socks. Oh, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna stick my hand in just so we can see shaping a little better, but dude, look at those. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Oh my god. Okay, that's effing cool. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really stupidly stoked over that. So, oh, and even like the yellow theming kind of feels Yellow Submarine-ish. I might be reading too much into it. I don't know. These are apparently copyright 2020, so this must have just been made last year and just trickled down to Amazon this year, I guess. So, but that is so cool! Maybe that means they'll do another one this year too. Oh my goodness. So, I'm stoked. if you guys want to see what else is in here, keep checking back every day because I'm going to do a video unboxing these each day till we make our way through the calendar. But today we got Abbey Road socks, so that is pretty dang cool. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Do you have these? What do you think of them? Good, bad, or otherwise? Leave it down below, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.